In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get data from other forms in Jotform tables. We'll be walking through the process of connecting an existing form to a table so you can bring form responses into a structured view inside Jotform tables. This is a helpful feature if you want to organize submissions more clearly, work with data in a spreadsheet style layout, or create a dedicated table based on another form's fields. To begin, go to Jotform and sign into your account. Once you're inside your workspace, find and select a table you want to work with. This is the table area where you'll set up the connection and manage incoming form data. After selecting the table, click on View Table. This opens the table interface so you can start making changes and adding new data sources. From there, click on New tab. Creating a new tab helps you keep this imported or connected data separate and organized, especially if your main table already contains other information. When the setup options appear, click on Table. This tells Jotform that you want to create a table-based tab. Then click Next to move forward in the setup process. On the next screen, click on Connect to Form. This is the key option that allows the table to pull in data from an existing Jotform form rather than starting from scratch. After that, click Next again to continue. Now you'll be asked to choose the form you want to connect. Select the form that contains the data you want to bring into your table. Then click Next. Make sure you choose the correct form here because the fields available in the next step will come directly from that form. Once the form is selected, you'll be able to choose which fields you want to include in the table. Drag and drop the fields you want. This step gives you control over how your data appears, so you can include only the information that's relevant to your workflow. For example, you might want contact details, submission dates, status fields, or any other responses collected in the form. A good tip here is to keep the table focused and avoid adding unnecessary fields if you want a cleaner, easier to read layout. When everything looks right and your selected fields are arranged the way you want, click Create. Jotform will then generate the new table tab and connect it to your chosen form. That's it. Your table is now set up to display data from another form in Jotform tables, making it much easier to review, sort, and manage your submissions in one place.